Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do the Omegaverse quiz trend on TikTok. So this trend is taking the app by storm right now, and if you want to get in on the fun, I'll just show you what it looks like if I go out of the TikTok camera. Then I go to the Discover tab and then go to the search bar and I type Omegaverse quiz in the search bar. And then I go to the hashtags section. You can see if I tap on Omegaverse quiz, it's going to show you all the videos about it. And if you go ahead and tap on one, now it doesn't have the music. So basically the video starts off with you doing some sort of emotional introduction with the text at the top saying you did the trend, and then it shows you what results you got at the end. And this all uses the green screen filter. So to get the actual quiz, I've left a link in the description of this video. If you go ahead and tap on that link in the description, it's going to take you to this website where you can do the Omegaverse rank quiz to see if you get alpha, beta or omega. All you have to do is enter in your name and then start the quiz. And I've already completed it. Once you've completed it, it should show you something like this. And for me, it says, I don't give AF if you're an Omega, clean your damn microwave. And you can scroll down and then it'll show you some more details. So you might want to go ahead and screenshot this portion right here. So I'll take a screenshot really quickly, tap on the screenshot and just crop this out so it looks something like this. Now it looks slightly different to the ones that you see within TikTok, but this is from the official Uplay quiz app. So I'll tap on save and then I'll go back into TikTok and then I can begin creating my video. So I'll go out of here, go back again. So if I go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center to go ahead and create my TikTok, I need to go ahead and record the first part. So I'll just record something real quick. Something just like that, and you can add the text onto that as well, but you now need to go ahead and include that green screen. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on effects there at the bottom left and then tap on the green screen effect. You can see it's at the top row, the second option, that's the green screen effect. Then I can tap on the plus to go ahead and add the screenshot that I just took, and there it says Omega at the top. I can go ahead and record the second bit. And what you need to do after that is tap on the tick mark so you can go ahead and edit it. So in the text part, you can go ahead and add the text. I'll add text. I tried the Omegaverse quiz and I am shocked. Anything like that. You can just type any text that you would like. I'll just make it look like that. Put it at the top. Now I only want it in the beginning, so I'm going to highlight the text or tap on the text, and then I'm going to set the duration, and I only want it there in this beginning portion, just like that, just before the quiz pops up. So there we go, just like that. Then I'm going to tap on the tick mark and you can do something like that. Now for the sound, you want to go ahead and tap on sounds. Then for the sound, you want to include the song Praying by Kesha. So I'm going to type Praying Kesha, and then I'm going to tap on that second result, and you can see here's the song. Now I'm going to have it on mute for copyright reasons, but that's the song Praying by Kesha. I'll add that into the TikTok video, and now the trend has been completed. I can tap on next at the bottom right. I can go through the posting process and then post the Omega quiz trend on my TikTok profile. So that is how you do this trend. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more TikTok trends. Take care.